Hey everyone, today I would like to show you how easy it is to download the ConnectPlaza runtime agent and how you can set it up quickly. As explained in the previous video on the runtime agent, the agent is a powerful software component that drives all the integration in your organization. As a fully functional and scalable software component, you can easily run several agents in your environment to serve your integration needs. But first, we have to go through a few requirements to get things started. First off, you will need a running server platform, like Windows or Linux. This may also be a virtualized environment. Please see our list of supported platforms on our website for more info. The server should have a running Java version 8 installed to get started. And you will need sufficient rights to install the agent as a background service to autostart it on boot up. The agent software is delivered as a zip package and can be unpacked once it has been downloaded. To download the agent, please open the ConnectPlaza deploy and choose the agent you wish to work with. In the top left corner, you will find the agent generator that will help you download the software. It will open the agent generator dialog box. This dialog will help you set things up. First off, you might want to check your network settings. By default, the agent will connect to the network on localhost and claim several port numbers, including 8088 and 8443. If these ports are already taken on your platform, please choose different ports here. You may also configure an Analyze database. In order to use Analyze, a compatible database must be provided and available in your environment. By choosing a database type, you can find all supported database platforms and a way to configure them. By default, ConnectPlaza will use an in-memory database, which is fast and flexible, but not persistent. If you really want to make full advantage of Analyze, you must provide a proper database platform. Next up is the software generating. By clicking on the Generate button, a download box will open in your browser asking you to download a zip file. This will be the fully configured zip file you will be needing to install the ConnectPlaza agent. After downloading the zip file, we will turn to the platform to install and run the agent. First, we will unpack the zip file in a folder somewhere on the machine. After this is done, we can do a smoke test by running the agent in the foreground on the machine. This can be done by executing the run agent script in the bat directory for Windows or bin directory for Linux. A terminal screen should open, and if all goes well, it should activate the agent in the foreground. You can test to see this is working by returning to deploy and hitting refresh. The agent should be connected now and visible. You have now successfully installed the runtime agent. In order to run the agent as a background service, you need to run the install as a service script with sufficient rights to install the service. Once installed, you can run the service directly from your operating system and it will run in the background. You are all set up now. I hope you will find these tutorial videos useful, so be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And be notified as we add more tutorial videos for ConnectPlaza. Thanks for watching.